The Gali Anjaneya temple has a new idol, a 21 feet tall monolith of Lord Hanuman. Temple authorities say more than 10,000 devotees attended the ceremony.
ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ರಸ್ತೆ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದು ದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಏಕಶಿಲ 21 ಫೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಕೈ ಮುಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
The former Prime Minister of India, H.D. Devegowda, inaugurated the idol statue. Devotees were very happy and welcomed the new idol installation warmly.
Today they make that a big idol. The people can travel, they travel from the road. They can take the blessings from this Hanuman. For me, as a devotee, Hanuman is my favorite actually.
A long-time devotee, Mr. Manekya, sponsored the idol statue of Lord Hanuman. The Gali Anjaneya is an 800-year-old temple and hence holds an ancient significance. This is Saili Patil reporting for Citycast.